Hello, welcome to Ichigundu Ideas and Design. Okay, these are welding hacks. That's an angle line he's welding together. After he welds it, look at what he's using to hold it together. Yeah. Now I love this one. You don't need to spend a lot of money buying one of those expensive ones. Yeah, it is used to cut straight lines. No need marking. Look at the small grinder. He put a lot of thoughts into it. And wow. Wow, look at that. Something you can do at home. Yeah. And even the handle of the grinder, look at, he just made it, maybe because the other ones are short. Okay, so this one he wants, yeah. Okay. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Yeah. Okay. Somebody might have to come and cut that so that he can get his head away. Okay, what are we doing today? It's an, oh, okay. What is that? Oh, another, is he making a drill press? Is it called a drill press? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you see, with those, you don't need to make a shit. All you need is, oh, okay. Yeah. Anything that concerns, removing the parts of the grinder, I know what it's going to be used for. Okay. Okay. You need to be an electrician for this one. Yeah, and I love the colors he painted it. Cut it. You see that? That's very beautiful, really. Okay. Yeah. You can even use it for big drill bits. Okay. Whoa. I want to use it for metal. I didn't know it was for wood. I guess you can use it all on all of the material. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Other people use like springs, but he just used a pipe, a hollow pipe that is small enough so that this is industrial. Are they making? Okay. Look at how coordinated his foot and his hands are. Yeah. What are we making today? Okay. Oh, it's a small pipe bender. What? Oh, down there is. Oh, it's a sponge she put in water. A sponge she put in water so that the dust does not come out. You know how you are doing something and the dust comes out? Now this is just art. Somebody's messing with somebody. Boom. Wow. Wow. This is, what are we making today? I see a roller. They're trying to make, okay. This is, look at the equipment. It's two, oh, there are two flats he's trying to bend. But just look at the gear. The gear is too big. Yeah, the gear is too big. And he made two at the same time. Okay. He had to take a picture of it for home decoration. We have another bender. This one is electric. It must be electric. Okay. And it must be expensive. And it is slow. expensive, big but slow.